We are joined by Congress leader Rohin Reddy Garu. Your government is right now working on that 400 acres land where the conflict with the HCU and the government is going on in Kanchagachiboli. KTR has stated that this 400 acres will be turned into an eco park, which will be India's largest eco park. And if anybody is purchasing this particular land in the auction, their plea later on will not be considered. If they will definitely come to power, is what he's claiming in next 3 years, and then their plea will not be considered, and this will be converted into an eco park. What do you have to say to this?
See, I told you in my previous interviews also, Mr. KTR has lost his mental status. If my chief minister would have been done this vendetta politics, he would dig all these things what they have done in last 10 years. During Kaleshwaram, during that Neopolis, near that Kokapet lands. And I'll tell you, Bashir bhai, in that in-orbit area, that is a completely IT zone. How did Mr. Rameshwara got all those lands in those areas? Are those lands procured for giving it to Rameshwara? For my home constructions? Today, my chief minister is fighting for these 400 acres of land after getting the Supreme Court order. Because these the same lands in 2003, when NDA government was there, these lands were allotted to IMG. If IMG would have established there, then wow, there is no question of today all these HCU people or some other activities are fighting for that university land. This was never a university land. This land was allotted to IMG. IMG, we were fighting with IMG and we got that lands to the state government. Now my chief minister's vision is very clear. He wants to set up an industrial park or like IT sector and generate the employment for the students. Because these people couldn't do in last 10 years, they couldn't do any employment generation, they have done only a real estate business. They have sold 4 lakh acres of Telangana land. I don't know where did that money went off. For their commissions only, they used to do this land, but they used to sell these lands for the realtors. Did they give any lands to any employment like IT sector? You go to Telapur, this entire land belongs to Rajpushpa or my home. And opposite to Inorbit, you can find all the IT companies there, except my home. How did they get those lands there? I request the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy Garu, to do a thorough investigation in that. How did this my home, Rajpushpa only got the lands in the IT sector, IT area? I don't know where this all environmental socialist activists are there. When the same land, when they have done the Kaleshwaram, lot of deforestation has been done. There was no statement from this activist. Neopolis also, they have devastated so much of forestry there. No activists have come today. This is a planted and organized by TRS and BJP together. They doesn't want they can't see Revanth Reddy Garu being performing. Because he has generated around 57,000 of jobs in last 1.5 years. He waived off 22,000 crores of loans for the farmers. Today, recently, to divert the issue of that Sanna Biyalu, that rice, the fine rice which our chief minister is giving, to divert that issue, they are creating a havoc of HCU. When was this land? Did HCU fight with IMG? It was a state government which was fighting with IMG. If that property would have belonged to HCU, they would have fought with IMG. And I'll tell you one thing, today you can go there. How did they construct an illegal building in that forest area? If they are saying this is a forest area, there is a illegal construction has been done. And there is a helipad there. They were doing all kinds of activities. All kind of activities are going on there. You can go take your cameras, you are all journalists, you can just go there and see. There is a building there, there is a helipad there are roads formed there. And now these people, when the government got that property, they know that after getting this property, definitely Revant Reddy Garu will do some activities for the benefits of the employment for the youth and for the revenue of the state. So these people doesn't want to happen that because they are already in the cold storage.
Well, KTR is stating that this land is particularly for the realtors, and Revant Reddy Garu must leave whatever hours he's working as a realtor, 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes, he must work as a human also, is what KTR is asking.
I request Mr. KTR to become at least 2 minutes as a human. Because in last 10 years, whatever they have done, already Telangana people have punished them for what they have done. I ask him to become at least for 2 minutes, behave like a human being. Think of the younger generation and unemployment youth of this Telangana. My chief minister is looking after the youth employment and revenue generation. Because in last 10 years, they have made so much of debt to Telangana. My CM is working day and night to clear off the debt, and at the same time, he is trying to give the opportunities, to create the opportunities and employment for the youth. So I request Mr. KTR, you become a human for 2 minutes. At least you will have some future at least you have some political future if you become a human for 2 minutes.
Well, the BJP is also opposing this particular move by your government. What do you have to say?
See, BJP people, I know, they are just playing on the tunes of BRS. Because they don't have any faith here. So they are playing a tunes of, because this same property has been given to IMG in the NDA government in 2003. I don't know where they have to keep their faces. If they have given, if that IMG 2003, this property was given to IMG, at that time they would have developed this property. There is no question today. These people are coming on the streets and trying to provocate the students and fighting for the same land. Our government came after in the 2004 and Mr. Rajshekar Reddy has revoked the GO. And after that, Mr. Revant Reddy Garu, in the court, we fought for this land and we got that property to the government. It is not going in the pockets of Mr. Revant Reddy or Congress government. It is going to the people of Telangana and employment of the youth of Telangana. So that is our commitment. I am asking these BJP people, what did they do when the KCR was doing this Kaleshwaram project and he was doing that Neopolis project and that Kokapet lands were sold and they are playing, the mediator between BJP and TRS is Mr. Rameshwar Rao. Because he is the beneficiary of both the governments. I am coming on the record and saying, I have a doubt. And Telangana people should also, they should think about Mr. Rameshwar Rao in the entire IT sector of near Inorbit Mall. Why only My Home properties are there? You take My Home Abra, you take My Home Bhuja, all these properties, how did they get in that IT zone? So I have so many doubts. This is completely provocated by only two realtors. They are behind this KCR and BJP Kishan Reddy. Because what in the last 10 years, only these two people were flourishing. That Venkatram Reddy was a collector and he was doing Rajpushpa real estate business. What was this Mr. KTR was doing? He was a collector and he was doing, and he is the owner of Rajpushpa. Mr. KTR should answer first. They were encouraging all these officers to do illegal activities and they have become so much of in the real estate that they have earned so much of money and they have grabbed so much of properties of Telangana on the name of acquisition from the Telangana State Indian Infrastructure Corporation. So I am saying this is completely fabricated by both the realtor companies which are run by TRS and BJP. It's a clear indication they are only provocating that. So there is nothing that these people used to work for industrialists and realtors. My chief minister is not working for any real estate company or some industrialist. So tomorrow I challenge. See, he is in a dream that again he'll form the government. You know what is their fate in parliament elections. Now in the local body elections, they'll get another big zero. They'll be vanished from the state of Telangana. Because whatever they have done in 10 years, the punishment already Telangana people have given to Mr. KTR. I want him to go to some rehabilitation center and get him checked first.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. So this was Congress leader Rohin Reddy garu with camera person Damodar Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.